So welcome back. Let's continue with our question and answer session. This question related to Islam, love jihad. So questions asked by Nanda Kumar, Dr. C.H. VSV Prasad, K.S. Rajiv, Mamata Rajesh, Prakash Hegde. Question goes like this. What is the response to worldwide jihadi movement, Gajwa-e-Hind? How to rekindle the martial spirit in Hindus? What each of us can do? What to do for survival when few communities produce more children? What are the steps taken by RSS to curb Muslim appeasement? Many businesses, organization of Muslim community, especially hotels uses Hindu name, uses Hindu god photo and cheat Hindus. What is the solution? How to avoid Kerala story kind of love jihadi situations? What can be done at grassroots level?
Names. Who asked these questions?
The last name was not Dr. Purnima.
Yeah, Islam and love jihad related. Dr. Purnima Choradi asked the question, how to avoid Kerala story kind of love jihadi situations? What can be done at the grassroots level? Sorry.
First thing, Sangha says, don't give too much thought to what others do. Focus on what we should do. Others are doing it. Not today. We have not done what we should have done. That is why we are falling to prey to such desires. So what we should do, for example, love jihad. How can that be a girl or a boy reared in our Hindu samskaras, our own, blood of our blood? He is led astray by someone outside due to some petty attractions. How foolish he is. We have kept him foolish. We have not enlightened him. That is our lack. So the samskar in our households, the maryada of behavior, giving that to our children is our responsibility. We have faltered in it, and the result is success of love jihad. First, this thing you must understand. Secondly, don't put everybody into single bracket. For example, this jihadi movement, Gazwa-e-Hind, perpetrators of love jihad, there is a section of Muslims, you may say a large section, but there is a section of Muslims who deplores all these things. We should know them. We should keep them in contact, because if you want to defeat someone, you must know him. And when we get to know the Muslim society as it is today in Bharat, there is clearly a section, they are small in numbers, but they don't approve this. There is even bigger section who say this is not what Islam has recommended. Then there are those who are neutral, but because there is a system of running the society of Islam which compels every member, knowingly or unknowingly, willingly or unwillingly, to do particular things, they have surrendered themselves to that system. But really they don't have any ill will. That is vast majority. And there is a sizable section of Kattarpanthis. There are many Muslims I meet who say that political Islam is different, this Islam is different. So when we see these activities, we bracket whole of the Muslim society into one bracket. That is not good. We are Hindus, we do not think like that, one thing. Strategy wise also, this is wrong. You are, by force, you are increasing their number. So befriend with such people, and in Muslim community there should start education of Muslims about Islam. That should happen. So that Samaniti is also required. And we have to fortify ourselves. So Dandaniti is also required. Dama and Bhed is not for us. We do not want to purchase anybody, convert anybody, and we don't want to divide anybody. But good people we have to segregate from the mob of bad people. So, first fortify ourselves, divide anybody. See, there are no weak spots in our fortress. We are strong. The wrongdoers must fear that if I do anything wrong, there will be a retribution. And at the same time, there should be confidence that if I don't do anything wrong, there is no harm from the Hindus. Hindus are very good people. Keep our own house in order. And then segregate good people, bring them out from the bad fortress. We have to do this. So, what they do, let them do it. They cannot do anything to us. That sort of strength we have to build. Bhim was taking his meal, and Bakasur came and started beating him. Bhim said, okay, let him beat me. What will he do? He cannot do anything to me. I am hungry, I will first take my meal. So he finished his meal and then took samachar of Bakasura. That type of strength we must have. Na bhaya deta kahu ko, na bhaya janata aap. ऐसे हिंदू को देखकर दुष्ट धरावे आप. और दुष्ट कौन है और सुष्ट कौन है इसका भेद करना चाहिए, उनको अलग करना चाहिए. सबके लिए एक प्रकार नहीं हो सकता. और ट्रीटमेंट शुड बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. ये हमको करना चाहिए, तो इन सब का इलाज होगा. आ गया.
Next question is on Hindutva.